Okay, in this video we're going to look at the major scale and the fruits of the Spirit. So if you got a Bible, turn to Galatians chapter 5:22, or use your smartphone or something and get that passage pulled up. And what I'm going to do for you, I'm going to play the major scale. I'm going to play the notes of it and let you hear it. I'm going to play around with it a little bit. And let's look at the characteristics of it, of how it sounds. And what I want you to do is look at that passage of Scripture and see if any of the fruits of the Spirit match the characteristics of this scale. Okay, so here I'll do this in the key of E, and this is an E chord right here in E major. Okay, and the scale, you're probably familiar with this. The do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, da. Okay. Now, don't think in terms of music. You don't need to know anything about music. You don't need to know scales, formulas, sequencing, any of that, tempos. That doesn't matter. All you want to do is just listen and like I said, see if any of these characteristics of this scale match that passage of Scripture. So here we go. I'll play around with it a little bit. Okay, so was it peaceful? Did it have any joy to it? Did it kind of, make you feel good? Was it non-threatening, or was it kind of violent? If you read the fruits of the Spirit there, you'll start to see all those things, all the fruits of the Spirit within this scale. So the question is, if I take this scale and I kick up the distortion, some gain, kick up the tempo a little bit, will it change those characteristics or will it enhance it? Well, let's find out. All right, here we go. major scale what it's like. It's a happy sounding scale, and you see when you add to it, you know, you kick up gain and tempo, it doesn't change the characteristics of it. All it does is enhance them. Okay, the interesting thing about the major scale and the fruits of the Spirit is the highest majority of gospel music is written in major keys. Isn't that interesting? I couldn't tell you the percentage, but that's what major progressions in the major scale does. It just gives you joy, peace, happiness, goodness, kindness, gentleness. It's a non-threatening, uplifting scale, and most gospel music writes their songs in those keys. Interesting enough, the world, when you look at the hard rock bands and all that, or pop music, a lot of, like, the rock and roll bands won't write in major keys until they need a hit song on the radio. Then they'll pump out some cheesy little song in a major key to get a hit, and then they go right back to where they like to dwell. Anyway, we'll look at that next time in the next video.